Take a little tour of the moringa tree that I planted a little over 3 years ago. It's about 25 feet tall. I have a mango tree right next to it, Hayden mango. Right now there's a ton of bees pollinating these flowers so they can give me more seed pods. These bees, let me get you a close-up of the bees here. Look at that. He's in there getting his nectar. A lot of seed pods on here right now, a lot of flowers. Have a guava tree in the middle also that has a lot of fruit on it right now. And this is the second moringa tree that I planted a little over a year ago, and it's already caught up to almost as tall as the first tree in a little over a year. So this one's going to get cut back because it's getting too close to the shed. That way I can harvest this one, but only after the seed pods come off here. That's a little tour of the moringa trees, and I have about 18 others about 3 foot tall that are going to go to a property in Gainesville.